Here's how to fix if emojis are missing after an iPhone update. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you updated the iOS operating system to the latest version, but now you find when you go into the keyboard, some of those emojis are missing or just not working, I'm going to show you how to fix it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now let's open up, say, the keyboard anywhere here, and you can see at the bottom left is the little smiley face. I can tap on that and it should pop up with all the emojis that I can search through and add in, and I can tap on them just like that. Now, keep in mind, if this isn't working or it's not showing all of them, there are a couple steps we can do. Let's head into the settings. We're going to tap on General here. And then on here, if we scroll down, you'll be able to see under fonts is keyboard. Tap on that. Now, the first thing you can do is it says all keyboard stickers and send stickers from the emoji keyboard. Sometimes these stickers basically will fill up or mess up the emoji keyboard. So I would recommend turning that off and just using the stickers separately in a separate spot. So I would recommend turning that off. And then let's go into keyboards here and let's tap on edit. And we're just going to delete the emoji keyboard. And then if I go back, you'll be able to see this keyboard just has one, but I can just add the emoji keyboard back in. This kind of refreshes and reinstalls that keyboard. So hit add new keyboard. Then all we need to do is type in emoji. And just like that, I've added in that emoji keyboard back, sort of refreshed everything. So I can go back in here, tap on the smiley face, and it should work normally. All of the keyboard should be refreshed and reset, and I should be able to use it. Now, if you still find that it's not working, the next step you can do is head into your settings. Let's go back here and we'll tap on software update. See if there's a new update. Maybe that was just a bug or a glitch in the existing iOS operating system. So just update to the latest. It's currently 18.1. And then if this again doesn't fix it, the last step you can do is go back, tap on transfer or reset iPhone and hit reset. And then let's hit reset keyboard dictionary. And then just enter in that password and that will help reset that keyboard so that the emojis work properly and they're kind of brought back to the factory default. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.